Excuse me, could you help me?
Of course. What happened?
This is not the dish I ordered.
I am sorry. What did you order?
I ordered chicken pasta.
And what did you receive?
This looks like beef pasta.
I am very sorry about that.
It is okay, but I cannot eat beef.
I understand. I will fix it right away.
Thank you.
May I check your bill first?
Yes, here it is.
You are correct. It says chicken pasta.
Okay.
I will ask the kitchen to make a new one.
How long will it take?
About 12 minutes.
That is okay.
Would you like a drink while you wait?
Yes, orange juice would be nice.
I will bring it now.
Thank you.
Here is your juice.
Thanks. I also did not get my fries.
I am sorry. I will bring them too.
No problem.
Here is your correct order.
Yes, this is chicken pasta.
Again, sorry for the mistake.
Thank you for solving it.
We added dessert for you.
That is very nice.
Hello. Where would you like to travel?
Hi, I need a ticket to Boston.
Sure. Is it one way?
Yes, only one way.
When are you traveling?
Tomorrow morning.
We have a bus at 8:30.
That time is good.
Do you want a window seat?
Yes, if possible.
Window seat is available. Great.
How much is the ticket?
It is $26.
Can I take my suitcase?
Yes, one suitcase is allowed.
What about my backpack?
You can carry it with you.
Good.
May I have your name?
Daniel Brown.
Thank you. The journey is about 4 hours.
Does the bus stop for a break?
Yes, there is one short break.
Perfect.
How would you like to pay?
Card, please.
Please tap it here. Done. Here is your ticket.
Which gate should I go to?
Gate number 3.
Thank you.
Please arrive early.
I will. Goodbye.
Good evening. I booked a room online.
Sure. What name is the booking under?
It is under John Miller.
Let me look it up.
Okay.
I do not see a booking for tonight.
That is strange. I have the email here.
May I check it?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you. The date shows tomorrow.
Oh no, I came one day early.
That is okay. Let me see what we can do.
Please, I really need a room.
We have one room available tonight.
That is a relief.
It is a single room on the 3rd floor.
That is fine.
The price is $115.
Okay, I will take it.
May I have your passport?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like one key card?
Yes, one is enough.
Here is your key, room 309.
Thank you. Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast starts at 7.
Great. Thanks for helping me.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Please place your backpack on the belt.
Okay, here it is.
Do you have a laptop inside?
Yes, I have one.
Please remove it and place it in this tray.
Oh, I forgot. Sorry.
No worries. It happens.
Should I remove my jacket too?
Yes, please put it in the tray.
Okay.
Put your phone and keys there as well.
Sure, here they are.
Do you have any drinks in your bag?
I have a water bottle.
Please take it out.
Can I keep it?
Not through security.
Okay, I will throw it away.
Thank you. Now walk through the scanner.
Okay.
Please wait 1 second.
Is something wrong?
Do you have anything metal in your pocket?
Oh, I have coins.
Please put them in the tray. Done. Please walk through again.
Okay.
Everything is clear now.
Can I take my things?
Yes, collect them from the belt.
Thank you for your patience.
You are welcome. Have a safe flight. Hello, can I offer you a drink?
Yes, please. What do you have?
We have water, tea, coffee, cola, and fruit juice.
I would like apple juice.
Sure. Would you like ice?
No ice, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like a small snack?
Yes, what is available?
We have crackers, cookies, and peanuts.
I will have crackers.
No problem.
Can I also get some water?
Of course. Still water is okay?
Yes, still water, please.
Here it is.
Thank you. It is a little cold here.
Would you like a blanket?
Yes, please.
I will bring one for you.
Thanks, that would be helpful.
Here is your blanket.
Thank you. You're very kind.
You are welcome.
Could I have coffee later?
Yes, I can bring it now.
Regular coffee, please.
Milk or sugar?
A little milk and 1 sugar.
Sure. Please wait a moment.
Okay.
Here is your coffee. It is hot.
Thank you. It smells nice.
Enjoy your flight.
Thanks for your help.
Hello, I would like an espresso.
Sure. Would you prefer 1 shot or 2 shots?
I am not sure. Which one is stronger?
2 shots are stronger and richer.
Okay, I will try 2 shots.
Good choice. Do you want it hot?
Yes, hot is fine.
Any sugar?
Just a small amount, please.
Sure. Would you like a snack with it?
Yes, what cookies do you have?
We have almond cookies and chocolate cookies.
I will take the chocolate one.
Great. Will you stay here?
Yes, I will sit for a few minutes.
Your total is $6.
Card is okay?
Yes. Please tap it here.
Done.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.
Perfect. I will wait there.
Here is your espresso and cookie.
Thank you. It looks good.
Enjoy!
Thanks. Have a good day.
You too. Hello. What do you need today?
Hi, I want some drinking water.
Sure. Small bottles or big bottles?
Big bottles, please.
How many?
2 bottles.
Do you want them cold?
Yes, cold ones would be better.
I will get them from the fridge.
Thank you.
Here you are.
Is this mineral water?
Yes, it is mineral water.
Great. Do you also have juice?
Yes, apple, orange, and mango.
I will take orange juice.
Sure.
Do you have any chocolate?
Yes, near the counter.
I will take 1 bar.
Anything else?
No, that is all.
The total is $7.
Can I use my card?
Yes, please tap here.
Done.
Payment is complete.
Can I have a bag?
Yes, here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Hi, welcome to the stationery shop.
Hello. I need items for my class.
Sure. What are you looking for?
Pens, notebooks, and pencils.
What pen colors do you need?
Blue, black, and 1 red.
Do you prefer smooth pens or simple pens?
Simple pens are okay.
How many?
4 blue and 3 black.
And 1 red pen.
Yes, please.
What about notebooks?
I need 3 large notebooks.
Lined pages or plain pages?
Lined pages.
Which colors?
1 blue and 2 black.
Good. Do you need pencils?
Yes, 1 small pack.
Erasers?
2 erasers, please.
Anything else?
A black marker, too.
Sure. Let me put everything in a bag.
Thank you.
Your total is $25.
Can I pay by card?
Yes. Please tap here.
Done.
Here is your receipt.
Thanks. My classes start soon.
Good luck with your studies. Hello, how can I help you today?
Hi, I want to borrow English books.
Sure. Do you have your library card?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Are you a beginner?
Yes, I need easy books.
We have a beginner section.
Great! I want books with simple words.
This grammar book is very clear.
Nice. I will take it.
Do you also want conversation practice?
Yes, that would help me.
This book has daily dialogues.
Perfect.
We also have short stories.
I like stories.
This storybook is easy to read.
I will borrow that too.
You can borrow 5 books.
I will take 4 today.
You can keep them for 14 days.
Can I extend the time?
Yes, you can renew online.
Can I return late?
There is a small fee.
Okay, I will return them on time.
Let me scan the books.
Sure.
All done. Here are your books.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy reading. Hello, welcome to the Language Center.
Hi, I want to start an English class.
Sure. Have you studied English before?
Only a little.
That is fine. We have beginner classes.
Good. I want to speak better.
Why do you need English?
For my job and travel.
That is a useful goal.
Do you have evening classes?
Yes, 3 evenings a week.
Which days?
Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.
What time do they start?
At 6 in the evening.
That is good for me.
The class ends at 8.
How long is the course?
1 month.
What is the fee?
$150.
Okay, I want to join.
Great. May I have your name?
Michael Brown.
Phone number, please?
555-123-4567.
And your email?
michaelbrown@email.com.
Thank you. Your class starts next Monday.
Wonderful. I am ready to learn.
We are happy to welcome you.
You look quiet today.
Yes, I am thinking about my life.
Is everything okay?
Yes, but life feels very different now.
Different from what?
Different from the dreams I had before.
I understand that feeling.
When I was young, I wanted many big things.
Like what?
A big house, a great job, and easy life.
Many people dream like that.
Now I just want peace.
Peace is very important.
Yes, and I want to be happy.
That is a beautiful goal.
Did you have big dreams too?
Yes, I wanted to travel everywhere.
Do you still want that?
Yes, but slowly.
Life gives many responsibilities.
True, work, bills, and family.
Sometimes it feels hard.
But you are still moving forward.
I hope so.
What dream do you have now?
I want a peaceful home and good work.
That is possible.
Curious, what about you?
I want to build something of my own.
That sounds meaningful.
We should keep trying.
Yes, dreams can change, but they do not end.
Exactly. What are you looking at?
Travel photos. They make me want a holiday.
Same here. We need a break.
Should we plan something?
Yes. How about next month?
That sounds exciting.
Where should we go?
I want a place with beaches.
Then Miami could be nice.
Good idea. I want warm weather.
Me too. How many days?
6 or 7 days.
7 days sounds better.
Should we book a hotel?
Yes, hotels are easier.
I want a room with a nice view.
And I want breakfast included.
Of course you do.
What do you want to do there?
Swim, relax, and take photos.
I want to visit local places too.
We can make a simple plan.
What about money?
Maybe $1,000 each.
That should be okay.
We should check flights soon.
I will look tonight.
I will search for hotels.
This will be fun.
Yes, we need this trip.
Can we talk about our plans?
Yes, I like talking about the future.
Where do you see us living?
Maybe in a peaceful town.
I like that idea.
What about you?
I would love to live near water.
Near a lake or beach?
Maybe near the beach.
That sounds beautiful.
Do you want a house?
Yes, a small house.
With a garden?
Yes, a small garden with flowers.
I want a nice kitchen.
So we can cook together.
Yes, every weekend.
What about jobs?
I want steady work.
I want work that makes me happy.
That is important.
We also need to save money.
Yes, little by little.
Do you want to travel one day?
Yes, with you.
Which place first?
Maybe Japan.
I like that.
Do you want a pet?
Maybe a cat?
I like dogs.
Then maybe both.
Do you think we can make it?
Yes, if we stay patient.
And work hard.
Together.